The goblet squat on a box could be a kettlebell, like I have in this video, or you could be holding a dumbbell. You could hold a dumbbell with the head of the two heads of the dumbbell in each hand, or you could hold one head of the dumbbell with the other guy facing straight down. But something that you could hold pretty close to your chest, and that is within your hands very safely and securely. So one way to hold this kettlebell is right on the bell itself. Another way is to hold onto the handles on the side. Um, Whichever method you prefer, you could hold it upside down. I prefer to hold it on the ball itself. So the feet is shoulder width apart, toes could be slightly pointed out. The box could be just the height that you are comfortable with. So if you are starting the goblet squat, by this point, you should have practiced the box squat, even the air squat, and should know your capability on how low you could squat. So this will require a little more activation in your core, the abs and your lower back, your side, and even in your shoulders as you're holding the weight. We definitely want to move slower because we have added weight on top of your body weight. And when we first introduce a new movement or a new weight to your body, we want to make sure that your body can handle it, all right, at all different angles or different parts of your body, your ankle, your knee, the muscles, your hip, your lower back, your shoulders, your neck. So there's going to be tension in all those areas that's added through this extra weight in the goblet squat. So moving slowly and carefully.